Well, people love fun, holiday-themed e-gift cards, so I created a program that creates them and I emailed it out. To make it convenient, I even created a link to share via social media. As soon as they clicked on the link, it asked them to sign up and download the e-gift card. Bam! I installed ransomware and they had to pay me 1/4 of a Bitcoin to get their files back. So here's 1 Bitcoin for each of you. Happy holidays!
My tactic didn't include any trickery, just patience. I just hung out at the local airport terminal before security. It's amazing how many people leave their devices unattended. I got 20 mobile phones, 6 laptops, some of which didn't require a password to unlock. Here's one for each of you. Yes, indeed.
I don't know if it's the extra step of connecting to a VPN or if people just don't know how to use one. But so many people don't. So I created a fake Wi-Fi connection at our local holiday shopping location. The people that didn't connect to a VPN allowed me to capture their credit card numbers, passwords, and all kinds of information. So here are 2 credit cards for each of you and a couple of corporate passwords.
Almost 70% of consumers search for deals online. And knowing the statistic, I set up a fake site for these bargain shoppers where they can earn a 20% off coupon if they create an account on my site. Now, since most people use the same password for other sites, I was able to gain access to bank accounts, intranet logins, and corporate emails. Now, here are 5 sets of credentials for all of you.